we're finally gonna get this sleep schedule together. So the dilemma is my sleep schedule has been a hot mess for the past 2 to 3 months. I'm not gonna lie. I've been hitting snooze. I've been waking up late. I've been sleeping way more than like 7-8 hours. The motivation was low, okay? It was just this constant cycle. Because I woke up late, I would try to stay up late to catch up on all the things that I needed to do for the day. Cycle just kept repeating itself. I mean, there are health benefits to going to sleep earlier, but you also have to listen to your body. If you function better at night, then that's what it is. But for me, I know that I am my best self when I wake up early. Like, productivity's at a 10. I'm feeling good. And I know that I can't wake up early if I'm going to bed late. I would say my default is like being a night person. So I will stay up late making sure I'm like finishing everything, or just like don't want to stop watching a show. So I'll stay up late to do it. The plan is to fix my effed up sleep schedule this week. I'm going to see if I can do it in a week. So I've done some research on the best ways to fix your sleep schedule, and I'm going to try to add those into my routine at night, so throughout the week. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm excited to go on this journey and hopefully fix my sleep schedule. Who knows if we're actually gonna do it in a week. Comment down below any tips that you might have for fixing an effed up sleep schedule. So let's get into day one. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I already filmed day one and it was rough, but let's get into it. No, they're all, you know, they all share a room.
It's very apparent.
It's just nice to
Chicken marinade.
say hi.
Hola.
I know I'm coming on here a little rough. It's the end of the day. I'm ready to go to sleep. Like, it's hard for me to come on camera right now. Like, I was like, I'm not doing it tonight. I'm gonna pop up when my makeup and hair is done. But it is what it is. I need to film this. My face has been breaking out again. You see, I got the pimple patches on. So today's day one of me trying to fix my sleep schedule. We're starting off a little rocky, I'm not gonna lie. It's already, for the time, it's 10:47. My goal was to be in bed at 10:30. You know what? I kind of expected day one to be rough. I had low expectations, especially for day one. I think my sleep schedule being messed up, it's just an accumulation of multiple things. The part where I really struggle with going to sleep on time is when it hits the end of the day and I look at my to-do list and I'm like, what happened? The one thing I stay struggling with is time management. We need to work on that. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower. I normally am a morning shower person. At night, it's so important to dim your lights. Luckily, these lights dim in the bathroom, so it's gonna get dark. I got my flashlight on.
Bombshells. Crash the bell.
So we're on day two. What's today? Oh, today's Tuesday. It is 7:50 right now. My plan was to start cooking dinner around 7, which is still kind of late. I just finished filming. Oh, I don't even have on my mic. Hold on. Okay, the mic is on, but I was saying I was struggling with what to post on TikTok. Like, I don't know what's going on, but like, posting on TikTok right now just doesn't feel natural. Like, I second guess everything that I post on there now. I don't know what to post. I don't know. I think I just need some advice, some videos. I did like one posing video, which I told myself like I don't want to do posing videos anymore because I don't want to be known for that one thing. And like, I feel like the more I post about it, the more I dig myself deeper in that niche. It's really hard to just transition and switch niches like that. I don't hate doing posing videos, but at the same time, I'm not sure if I love it. My makeup came out real dry today. But overall, you know what? I'm gonna say we had a productive day. It was a really good productive day. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I walked, I did all the good stuff. Today I woke up at around 8:30. My goal time is 7. Hopefully I can hit 7 by this week. I didn't get to do all the videos I wanted to do, but it's time to cut it off. That's one thing that this routine is teaching me. We can't be going on for days. And that's like a really bad habit that I have. Got the ponytail. I was like, the day is over, time to take this off. Let me just track my time real quick. Now we're about to go downstairs and make dinner, which is super late. I want to eat before 8, but maybe tomorrow we can get it. That's another thing too, like when you eat super late, it also affects your sleeping schedule.
Yeah. It's what this dating thing is
Time to edit. It's 8:30.
What mileage? I say, look, we had to extend Friday's episode by half an hour.
All the niggas round me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like fire. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one really is a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I've been trying to make it to the end, you know.
Not the leg straight up. Like, I wanted to update you guys while I do some freaking groceries and stuff. Did not expect to do this right now, but you know. So I haven't really vlogged. I didn't vlog the past 2 days. Okay, is this better a little bit? It's a little dark, but I feel like it's better than the lighting that was before. It's gonna rain, so it's like hella dark outside. But basically, I didn't vlog because I was not up to it. I was dealing with a personal issue, and like I didn't want to come on there upset, and like I honestly did not have the energy to vlog. And then I came home, and there was also drama at the house. Like, but yeah, right now I'm cleaning some fruit, and of course that affected my sleep schedule. Still shit. We're on Thursday, so you know, I just want to be an early bird so bad. Y'all, tell me why as soon as I go step foot outside to go walk, it starts drizzling outside. Well, trying to be healthy, but okay, I just had to pop on real quick because don't mind me with my hair. I look a low-key crazy. Y'all, I just had like a freaking interview with a recruiter. It lasted 2 minutes, and they're looking for, I guess, like marketing, social media marketing. So she calls me and she tells me the position, like just the basics of it, and she's like, oh, it's gonna be full-time. Already I'm like, don't want full-time like that. And then she's like, it's in person as well. I was like, okay. She was like, is that something you'd be interested in? I'm like, honestly, I am looking for something that's part-time, obviously, like I said to y'all, or either like remote. That's really what I'm interested in. But I was like, you know, it doesn't hurt to learn more about the position, because if it's something that I am really interested in, you know, I'm willing to make adjustments or whatever, you know, just to hear more about it.
And then she gonna tell me it's in Connecticut.
First of all, nobody's moving to Connecticut or driving to Connecticut. That's like a 2 hours away from me. I don't know what's going on, because I'm pretty sure my resume says New York. If we're gonna sum it up, it's been letdown after letdown, and I'm just like, yo, I'm over it. But yeah, it's 1:50. This has turned into like a daily vlog. I'm trying to make up for that time that I missed for these past 2 days, but probably catch up back with you guys later tonight, and hopefully we can get on track again. I just got back home from doing freaking Instacart. I did about like 2 hours in between Grubhub and Instacart. I made like $50, so that's like $25 an hour, which is, it is what it is. But you know what? It paid for some groceries, paid for some gas, so it is what it is. I'm so hungry, so I'm about to just eat, watch my little show, and then finish some editing that I wanted to do today, and then start my little night routines. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's 11. Try not to multitask in your bed. I know it's hard. Like, I like to edit in my bed, watch TV in my bed. When you do that, it's hard for you to go to bed at night if you're constantly being stimulated in your bed. Wow, this conversation is going left. When you go in your bed, you're not gonna know what to do. You're probably not gonna feel tired either, because your bed's not associated with sleep, it's associated with work. That's why a lot of people don't have TVs in their bed. Like, but I don't think I could ever be that person. It would just feel weird not to have one in my bedroom. Like, but also it's different for people who live at home or like have a studio apartments, because your room is everything. Like, I look like a ghost. I sat on the floor, even though that was like not the best, but I sat on the floor and edited my video. When I'm ready to go to sleep, then I'm gonna lay in my bed. Just gotta do my skincare every night, especially now since my face is breaking out. Like, I can't miss a night. And then we got a double cleanse, and I should probably get one of those like facial brushes to clean my face. I'm about to try this Kiehl's product that they sent. I hope it works. Truly targeted acne clearing solution. This couldn't have came at the most perfect time. Yeah, it says it has licorice root, niacinamide, and 2% salicylic acid. And I just want to say, like, I know I really did not follow like a specific nighttime routine. Like, I should have shared with you guys what my nighttime routine actually is, like my goal. Maybe I'll do that at the end of this video. I put my phone all the way over there so that I'm forced to get up when my alarm goes off. And real quick, I'm just gonna plan my day for tomorrow. But I feel like I prefer to do this like on a notebook rather than in Notion. This is what the weekly planning is looking like right now. Alright, hey guys, so it's actually like a week after I filmed everything, so I don't even know where to start, but like obviously I wasn't able to completely like fix my sleep schedule within a week. It was harder than I thought. I mean, I already knew it was gonna be a challenge just because my sleep schedule's just been a mess for months now, so I knew it was gonna be hard to change it within a week, but it did help me learn certain things and just take the certain tips that I learned and just learn more about myself. And so I would say it was a win in that aspect, but overall, just the fact of me trying to wake up earlier and go to bed earlier definitely failed. But I wanted to make sure I get this video out for you guys today. I know it's I put out my video getting my life together, and this is kind of like part 2 to that. I appreciate you guys holding me accountable for making sure I post every week. Yeah, it's hard. Like for me, when personal shit in my life starts happening, I tend to put like YouTube to the side. Not only is it letting me down, but it's also letting you guys down, and I don't want to do that. Just personally. Nice. I lost my wallet. I still don't have it, so that was very stressful for me. And then just other issues that just came up. It was just a really hard week, and last week was hard too. So the video didn't go as planned because I definitely wanted to like show the full week of me trying to fix my sleep schedule. So I thought that I'll come on here now and just share like some tips on how you can fix your effed up sleep schedule, or just like go to bed earlier, wake up earlier, from things that I learned while doing this, and then also things that I looked up. So first thing is to actually create a routine. I try to make it really simple. I just knew that I wanted to be in bed by 10:30. Next thing is to dim all your lights. Like that's one thing that I've been doing. If you can, do red light, because that promotes like, I think it's like melatonin, makes you want to go to sleep. Also, before bed, use blue light glasses. So like, let's say it hits 8 p.m. Put on your blue light glasses if you're gonna be scrolling on your phone or like on your laptop, just to limit blue light, because that actually keeps you up. Next is to try to go no screens 30 minutes before bed. It's hard because I know me, I like to fall asleep watching like a TV show, or like you saw most nights I was like editing late at night. That affects your sleep. So if you can, try to switch out that habit with maybe reading. I know reading for me puts me to sleep, so if I read 30 minutes before bed, I'm gonna go to sleep on time. Next is to eat dinner earlier. I wanted to make sure I ate dinner before 8. When you eat late, it also keeps you up too. Now this is something that I should have did. Slowly get yourself back on track. I try to do it going to bed at like 1 a.m. to trying to go to bed at 10. Didn't work. So set your time 15 minutes back until you get to your goal time. That will just help your body like slowly get adjusted to your new schedule, new routine. Next thing is to have like a cutoff time for work. This also goes into like having a night routine, but have a time where you know like, okay, I'm not gonna be checking any emails or doing anything related to like work after this time. You want to make sure you're not doing like stimulating things before bed. Personally for me, I love white noise or just whatever type of noise it is, all the different colors. I listen to brown noise at night. I would just tell my Alexa, play brown noise before I go to sleep. Get like a sound machine if that helps you go to sleep. Another tip that I'm gonna start doing is to also wake up early on the weekends too. When you're trying to fix your sleep schedule, you have to be consistent with it. Next is to take melatonin. Another thing you can do is like spray pillow mist on your pillows, like something with lavender, whatever it is that makes you fall asleep. Spray it on your pillows, put it in a diffuser. Lastly is just thinking about the type of pillows that you have. I would say invest in a good pillow just because that's something that you use every single day. If you have any tips yourself, definitely let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.